Hi, this is Doc David. Brain-based wellness. Now, there's a new term that I've coined, and that's brain-based whole body wellness. Now, what's this all about? Well, brain-based wellness is basically saying when the body and the brain is in fight or flight, it's not in a position to heal. When we're in fight or flight, we produce stress hormones. Those stress hormones, we know the biggest one is cortisol, and there are many others. And these stress hormones actually cause corrosion in the brain. Imagine that. It causes actual inflammation. These stress hormones are very important for the moment, but when they're in the body for more than 24 hours and then longer, they're not so great. In fact, that corrosive stress hormones can actually marinate over a long period of time and cause many different diseases in different patterns. And our body has some interesting mechanisms in order to cool down the fire of those corrosive hormones. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, if you're in fight or flight, you basically can't heal. And I'm going to say, you know how you have a red light, and we have a yellow light, and we have a green light to go forward, when we're driving? Well, stress hormones are a red light. It basically is to get out of there or stop, right? When we're in a balanced brain place, I'm going to use a new word called parasympathetic. When our brains are in a place of rest and digest and calmness, it now is in a place to heal. So, easy to say, but how are we going to go from that crazy place of fight or flight, which is creating these stress hormones, which the body now is because they've been there, I don't know about you, but I kind of been in that state for more than 24 hours. In fact, I think I might have been there for a year or two. And what happens to our bodies when that happens? We get all this weight around our tummies. We get things called type 2 diabetes. And now they're actually calling it, as we get older, type 3 diabetes. That's dementia, Alzheimer's. These are all stress-related hormones that have been sitting in the body, marinating for a long time. But how do we do more than pay lip service? I mean, we can learn how to meditate. That would help. We can learn how to deal with the stress. And brain-based wellness, and now brain-based whole body wellness, is literally looking at entraining the brain to go from this fight or flight place to a theta and many times even a delta brain state. Now, when we accomplish that, we're not in pain. In fact, one of the wonderful devices that I use at this moment is called Biosound. And Biosound is a whole body wellness system where we're vibrating the whole body with music. So the music is heard by the whole body, as well as you have headsets on that have entraining music to help our brains go from fight or flight within 30 minutes to calmness. And then the green light of healing is being accomplished. So now your body has cooled its jets, the green light comes on, and now your body can go through its own healing. And that's what brain-based wellness is all about. Helping change the state of your brain from the fight or flight, or for other people when they have chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, lupus, MS, many different autoimmune diseases, they have not so much always fight or flight part of their brain, but other parts of their brain which are on all the time. But that on all the time is also the place where we're feeling pain, discomfort, can't sleep for poop. And we can help entrain their brains as well to go to this balanced brain state, to this place where it's that green light for our bodies to now heal. So that's the first part of like a three-part section of what brain-based whole body wellness is all about. This is Doc David Gawain, and look on the video below or other places for part 2 and then part 3.